What's going on, everyone? It's Justin Pondexter here. I'm a graduate assistant at Clemson University.
Hey, my name's Mary Alexander. We're about to get on the plane to go to VidCon.
Touchdown in Orange County. Now we're heading to baggage claim and trying to find the other member of our crew, Ravyn.
My name is Ravyn Galimore. So I just got to JFK to go and check in. What's up? Hello!
What's going on?
Opportunity from Adobe and from Clemson University, and it's going to be an awesome conference. Hey guys, we're really excited for day one of VidCon. I'm excited to see everything that's just going on, learn some stuff from people who know a lot more than I do about video.
I can't wait to see Zach King today, someone I've been looking up to creatively.
I'm super psyched for the Adobe session. It's really going to be fun.
So we're in the Expo Center. There's a lot of crazy stuff in here. There's a lot of cool companies. It's just a lot of fun to check everything out. So stay tuned.
We're vlogging.
What's up, vlog? Good to see you. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Comment if you got to come to VidCon 2018.
Hey,
not missed out.
We're doing this for Adobe.
Oh, cool. Well, what's up, Adobe? Good to see you. Call me.
About to see the man who is the inspiration behind the Clemson FB vlog. Casey is unbelievable, and can't wait to see him. Stay tuned. Woo! Yo, all these cameras are just for Casey. This is wild. Hey guys.
Today's my little brother's birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
That's pretty good, guys. That's pretty good.
My favorite thing about VidCon was definitely getting a chance to explore the Expo Center on the first day. It was really cool seeing all the companies do what they do.
My favorite experience of VidCon by far has to be when I got to meet Zach King. Dude's a legend. I love his work. I still can't figure out how he does this stuff.
My favorite thing about VidCon was probably getting to hear more about 360 video and seeing what GoPro was doing. So just describe VidCon in one word.
It's awesome.
Unique.
Community.
Exciting. Fun.
Chaos. Inspiring.
Exciting.
Yummy.
Creative. Awesome.
Enlightening.
Super fun.
Enlightening.
Weird. A collection.
Creativity.
Life-changing. As it's Ravyn, I'm back and I'm here with Mary and Justin. And we just wanted to thank you guys so much for following along with us here at VidCon this year. We really had a great time. We hope you had a great time watching it. First of all, we really want to thank Adobe so much for really allowing us this opportunity and just giving us a chance to really be creative and show what we like to do. Also, we really want to thank Clemson University for pretty much teaching us all that we know. So thank you guys so much, and we hope to see you.